Hello again, Robotics Club. So now this tutorial, I have no idea what's going to happen. I have, I've used Robot C for years. I've never used Robot Virtual World, so I have no idea what's going to happen when we do this. But I know that there's a tutorial on the site, so let's run through it together. So I'm just going to stumble through trying to get Robot Virtual Worlds. Now remember, you are going to get a free trial of Robot Virtual Worlds this time. So I will be handing out keys personally when we go to the Stone Mountain on December 2nd, I believe. So December 2nd, I will be giving you keys. But let's just try this together. Let's try to get it set up with a free account. That way, over the break, maybe you can take a look at it. So remember, Robot C is where we're going to program all of our robots. That's where we're going to write our programs. We're going to define our functions and build these programs, and then send them to our robots. The problem is you guys don't get to have those robots 24 hours a day like I have mine. You're not going to get those. So I'm going to keep those, bring them home, and store them here. So, but I need you to be able to practice while you're not, you don't have your robots. So this is how we're going to do it. Robot Virtual Worlds is going to allow us to do that. So I'm going to go on here and type in robots, virtual worlds. I'm pretty sure that's going to get me to where I need to be. Robot Virtual Worlds. There we go. And there is their website, robotvirtualworlds.com. So I like obvious website names. Now, right on the home screen, you're going to say start your free trial. Now, start your free trial. This is not a download. This is just a tutorial on how to get the on how to actually get this free trial started. Now, you do this in a kind of a weird way. We do this through we're going to do this through Robot C, which is kind of interesting, and I'll show you how to do it. And I'm going to read this for the first time right now. So I know that I'm going to have to open up Robot C, all right, because we are going to do it through Robot C. So I'll go ahead and get that open and loading, and let's see what happens. We'll let it tell me all about their cool new stuff they're doing. And I'm all split screen now. And let me bring this down a little bit so you can still see my face. All right, so now let's just hit next and let's see what happens. So yes, I have Robot C installed, so we'll click that. All right, now open Robot C from the icon. It says to go to the Help tab, so let's go over here to the Help tab first. We're going to go to Add License. All right, so I'm assuming we're going to add like some kind of temporary license. For the product, we're probably going to choose, let's see, Virtual Worlds for Vex 4.x. All right, so that's what we're using. That's Vex 4.x. That's for the EDR system, which is the robot that we're using. All right, let's see. Let me go start trial. Is that the next thing I do? Yep, start trial. Boom. Start trial. Create. Yes, I would like to create a shortcut. Okay, so I guess that part's done. That was easy. Click robot. All right, and so this is the part that I was telling you about in class. So we have to tell the Robot C program, hey, where do you want me to put these programs? Are you going to be putting them on a physical robot, or are you going to be putting them on a virtual robot? Well, let's change it to virtual robot now, because we're going to have a so compiler target, and now if you just did that, you should see Virtual Worlds pop up right here, right? So let's click on Virtual Worlds. So now anything we write and anything we compile and export is going to go to this virtual robot that hopefully we'll be able to see in just a second. All right, so now let's click. It says to click Window. Like I said, no idea what I'm doing, but we'll stumble through it. In the menu, it said select a virtual world to use. So now you can download more packages, and one that you're probably going to want to download is Starstruck. All right, so Starstruck is the game that we're playing this year. So you probably want to figure out how to download Starstruck on Robot Virtual Worlds. That is available on this website to download. So you can actually play the game that we're going to be playing virtually and practice as many times as you'd like. So let's go to Challenge Pack for Vex IQ. Now let's go to Curriculum Companion. I don't know what that is, but we're going to go there. So I just chose that one. Step 4 says to open a sample program. So let's do that. File, open a sample program. Remember, there's hundreds. I did not write these. These are hundreds of sample programs that are built into Robot C already for you. And you can steal from these too. So we'll be doing a lot of stealing this year. I'm going to teach you how to take code and steal it from other pieces or other programs and bring it into your own programs. So get very familiar with the different things that are in here. It says to go to virtual basic movement. Is that what it says? Let's see. Open sample program. Navigate to the Virtual Worlds Basic Movement folder. I'm not seeing that one. but we're just gonna go to basic movement. Oh, there it is. Okay, basic movement. There we go. And it says to go to moving forward. All right. And sure enough, yeah, that's definitely a program for moving forward. Set motor speed, set the left motor and the right motor to a speed of 50. I'm gonna change this to 63, just because I'm feeling crazy. And 63 is about 50% speed. So I think it's like 125 or something like that. Maybe one. I mean, I think it's maybe it's 125 or 126 is the maximum speed. So 63 is about half speed. And then we'll sleep for 2,000. That's 2 seconds, by the way. Those are not. So you can get very precise with how much time you allow it to do anything, which is great, and it's very useful whenever you're working in really small areas. So you'll learn about all that this year. So let's go to moving forward. Click robot in the menu, and then click compile and download. So we're going to click our robot. We're going to compile the program, and we're going to download it to our virtual robot. I'm guessing. I'm assuming that's what's going to happen. And let's see. It wants me to log in with your CS2N account to earn badges. Awesome. Okay, so apparently I can earn some cool badges. Let's see. But I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to log in as a guest. So go to login locally and log in as a guest. But if you want to earn some badges, that's pretty awesome, actually. Maybe it's like achievements or something. So let's check this out. Progress will not be saved. I'm kind of okay with that. Okay, so the Robot Virtual Worlds window will open program. Okay, so let's keep going. Step 5. Once you download and compile a program, the Robot Virtual Worlds window will open. All right. All right, let's see. How do I get this to go now? I'm definitely here. Let's see. To get started, click on the robots tab. All right, so let's grab robots. Claw. Oh yeah, so this is cool. These are the IQ robots. I'm not sure how we can download the Clawbot, but we will do that because these are IQ bots. They're definitely not ours. But let's go ahead and just go to the arm up Clawbot because that's kind of similar to ours, but ours is the EDR. So you may want to look up how to download the actual EDR robot on here, but I'm sure there's a way to do it. So let's do the robot. All right, and let's see. We got a robot and challenge level and starting point. See if we can figure this out without cutting the video. All right, if I click it, he stops rotating, so that didn't do anything. Oh, I can spin it on my own. That's awesome. Okay, cool. Nice. All right, so I could look under the robot. Can I zoom in and out? Nope, you can't. All right, so let's go back to the Clawbot, and let's run this thing. Oh, there we go. Movement. All right, so I think I've uploaded basketball. Oh, this is cool. All right, so yeah, there's like all these different presets apparently. There's a labyrinth challenge you can do. There's robot acceleration. I'm gonna do that one because I'm assuming that it's just a straight line. Start activity. You think that's gonna work? Let's do it. Start activity. Here we go. This is a play button, so I'm gonna hit play, and I'm hoping that this thing goes forward for 2 seconds. Awesome, right? Absolutely awesome. So apparently, and this is awesome, anything that you do anything that you do, and I can reset it and run it again, that's awesome. So you can just keep doing it over and over if you want to keep watching the same thing. So any program that you write and then you export it into this robot virtual world, you can actually do just like you were doing in real life. So it's the same process putting it on your actual physical robot. You just download it to a USB drive and then put that USB into the brain of your robot, and it does this exact same thing. But this way, you can just sit here and practice it. So this is actually really cool. So I want to do another one. Let's do one more. Open sample program. I don't know. Let's do a point turn. All right. So I don't know. I think this is 2 point turns. Yep. So this should turn to the left and then turn to the right. I don't know. Let's just check it out. Robot, compile and download program. This is going to be awesome. Let's log in locally as a guest, and you can log in with your account. That's cool. Let's pick a robot. We're going to go with the Clawbot. Remember, I don't know how we get the EDR ones on here, but we'll figure it out. But for now, remember, you're just practicing movement, really. That's probably as far as you're going to get over the break. So, all right. So, and then let's go to robot acceleration again. and let's see if we can make this thing spin. All right, here we go. Point turns now. Awesome. Like this gets me excited. I don't like if you're not excited about seeing this, then this is not the club for you, because this is awesome. So that is Robot Virtual Worlds. Now, like I said, you've just started a trial. I don't know how long the trial is, but surely it'll get you through the break. So yeah, just download it, get that started, and play around with it. You know, play around with the motions. Maybe even try the labyrinth challenge. I don't know if anyone saw that, but I don't know what that looks like. It's like trying to get the robot from one square to the other square, which could be really interesting. So try some of these challenges. If you want to do them on your account, you can actually earn those badges. I will bring you a key for this software to the meeting. So thank you guys so much. I know this is just kind of a stumbling, rumbling video, but I hope it helps you to get these software programs set up. This is the one that's not as essential, but it's definitely going to be able to help you practice while you're at home. So good luck getting it downloaded. Let me know if you need anything at all. You can reach me at chbrian@gacyber.org, or you can always just call my cell phone, my actual cell phone number, 678-316-9118. All right, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great break.